In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create blog using Canva AI. So start by opening up Canva, and in the templates page, you can start searching for a blog or website. And here are various pre-made designs that you can use. Then next, you can use Canva's AI features like Magic Write. And here, simply type in the prompt on your text box like this, then press generate. The AI will then generate text for you. So here you can just copy the content that is generated and add it to your design. So here you can start organizing your blog into sections. You can add headings, paragraphs, images, and even icons to make it visually appealing. Make sure to customize your blog by changing fonts and colors and layout so it matches your style or brand. You can also add images or use Canva's stock library to enhance your content. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!